Did you know that there exist solely two avenues through which one can attain wealth and prosperity in life? Neglecting these two pathways will inevitably lead to a lifetime of financial struggle. Thus, it's necessary to heed closely, as in the forthcoming minutes, I will reveal the only two methods to achieve the coveted financial freedom. Then let's go. Suppose you currently find yourself at approximately 30 years of age, earning $3,000 per month. It could even pay your bills. However, what presents the greatest challenge? Persisting with your current salary trajectory, you'll ultimately retire with minimal savings. And with such meager earnings, you won't even cover basic expenses like healthcare or medication. Consequently, you'd be resigned to a thoroughly average standard of living, which hardly aligns with what you truly deserve, is not it? In other words, to thrive in life, you must adopt the mindset of those who have achieved success. Think in the long run. Let me also explain to you what are these two moves that, if you don't do, could consign you to a lifetime of financial hardship. The first step is to embrace a lifestyle slightly below your current financial means. Suppose you presently earn $3,000. The objective is to strategize and exert effort to live comfortably on $2,000, while carefully saving a percentage, be it 10, 15%, or 20% of your income. By curbing your expenses and channeling these savings towards investments, you set the stage for your money to work for you, generating additional wealth over time. Therefore, the initial tactic you must adopt is to live slightly below your means, ensuring that you allocate savings for investment purposes. Through this investment, your capital grows and yields greater wealth over time. This approach mirrors the habits of successful individuals, facilitating their ascent to prosperity and the accumulation of wealth. If presently you exhaust your entire income, fail to set aside funds for investment, or struggle to maintain expenses below your earnings, you're already making a mistake with the first strategy. Second strategy: become an entrepreneur and own your own business. Throughout history, people who own their own business earn much more than people who are employees. This is an undeniable reality. You can check Forbes' list of the most successful people financially in the world. You will not find anyone who is an employee of another person. Instead, 100% of these individuals are proprietors of their own businesses. Therefore, initiating your own business endeavors represents a highly viable pathway towards financial success. It's time to shift your mindset. Start pondering, how can I embark on entrepreneurship? Open my own business? Unlike conventional career paths where earnings are capped, as an employee, you won't be able to earn more than entrepreneurs. Moreover, when you're at the helm of your own business, the growth trajectory hinges entirely on your actions. This autonomy is indeed empowering. It's contingent upon your strategic acumen, of your knowledge, your determination, work ethic, and innovation prowess. There are numerous avenues to embark upon. You could share your expertise by teaching others. Consider partnering with someone who shares your vision. You can start making homemade sweets or hamburgers. You can start working with relationship marketing. You might consider forming a partnership or investing in a franchise. Alternatively, you could join an existing business that's already up and running. The possibilities are vast. Regardless of your current circumstances, there's always a way to begin. If you're currently earning less than $1,500, it makes no sense for you to work for another person. Practically any other endeavor you pursue, such as starting your own business, would likely yield greater returns. Embrace the mindset of abundance. We are presented with two distinct paths. By saving a portion of your earnings, you open the door to greater investment opportunities, thereby accelerating your path to prosperity. You are either an investor or an entrepreneur. If you don't fall into either of these categories, then I have a stark revelation for you. You'll likely struggle financially for the remainder of your life. However, there exists a third, exceptional path. When you own your own business, you have the capacity to save a portion of your income while simultaneously investing it. This dual approach fosters substantial financial growth. In essence, you are not just accumulating wealth, you are building a legacy. But the purpose of this video is not to discourage you. But you need to have this shock of reality so that you realize that you need to change. Perhaps you need to exercise greater control over your finances, and this is crucial. Rich people are intimate with money. And perhaps this is an aspect you lack. You need to be familiar with money and manage it better. Don't settle for the average, mediocre lifestyle of living paycheck to paycheck, enduring the weekly grind, and spending recklessly without concern. It's not normal to find yourself broke halfway through the month. Instead, adopt the mindset of prosperous individuals. If you are currently employed, consider saving and investing a portion of your income. This can yield significant benefits. So, essentially, there are just these two avenues. Either you venture into entrepreneurship, or you dive into investment. These represent the sole paths to prosperity. Or else, you run the risk of a lifetime of financial hardship. And I believe that's not what you want, right? If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel,